In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an anterior lateral foot reach. So firstly, anterior means forwards and lateral means away from. So think about, a lateral raise exercise where you're bringing the dumbbells away from your body. So when we're doing the anterior lateral foot reach, the best way to think of it is that you're coming forwards and you're coming away. So we're actually coming diagonal. We're coming diagonal in position away from the body. So if I've got my left leg in this example as the one that's going to be my standing leg, the one that's going to be in contact with the floor at all times, and my right leg that's going to be the working leg that's coming diagonal, what I would do is I'd start off with both my feet pointing forwards. This leg, my standing leg, is going to be the one that bends. I'm going to keep this leg completely straight and I'm going to come away from the body into that diagonal, lateral and anterior position away from the body. If I was going to do the other side and then my right leg was standing, it'd be the opposite. I'm not bending at all, my left leg here in this example. What I am doing is bending my right leg to mean that I've then got the range to come into position. You'd repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do an anterior lateral foot reach.